Welcome to the TIWO channel. Have a good day. Here you will find great tips and work offers. Have a good day. Today's tip is only lookup formula, not VLOOKUP formula. See full explanation video after me.
Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to explain about lookup function. It's not a VLOOKUP. Don't confuse it. Lookup is VLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is different formulas. Just I will tell the lookup formula benefits today. So see that this example. This is student ID, student name. This English. This is semester one. This is max marks is 100, but gain mark is 45. How to define the results? How to fill the results for this subject. Okay, this is the see that here this is the criteria of range of the marks. So 0 to 39 is fail, 40 to 59 is pass, 60 to 79 is C grade, 80 to 89 is B grade, 90 to 100 is A grade. Okay, now see that here 45 is there, 45 is between 40 to 59, so he is pass. So here 32 is there, 0 to 39, that is fail. So 90 is 90 to 100 is that is A grade. So this is manual work. Okay, then we can use the lookup function and fill the result column. See that this is very simple. Just type the equal and lookup. Just select the lookup value and select the range. This is the vector range. This is the result range. See that here this is the very simple. This is passed out. Just when you copy this formula you have to fix these cells. I will explain what is the why we need to fill the dollar symbols before and after. Yeah, so now just you can copy and paste it here. See that, so all the result column will be populated to here. So I will explain about why I am to mention the dollar symbol. See that I'm telling example here. For example, here one is there. Okay, so here if you copy to you explain the formula to this one, if you copy and paste it to here, okay, it's coming 0 because the cell range has been changed. If you fix that, if you fix that if you put the dollars before and after, just see that if you copy and paste it here, so it's not changed. So that's why we have to mention the dollar symbols for fixing the cells when you are copied to the formula. Thank you so much watching the today's tip. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much for watching today's tip. Kindly subscribe and follow for more videos.